Are you exhausted from battling persistent Candida infections? Frustrated with treatments that only offer temporary relief? You're not alone. Millions struggle with recurring Candida overgrowth. Today, I'm going to reveal the ultimate solution to cure Candida for good. Candida is a type of yeast or fungus that naturally exists in our bodies. While it's harmless in small amounts, problems arise when Candida starts to overgrow and take control. There are over 150 different strains of Candida, some more aggressive than others. Normally, a healthy balance of microorganisms in our bodies keeps Candida in check. But certain factors can disrupt this balance, leading to overgrowth. Common symptoms of Candida overgrowth include intense cravings for carbs and sugar, itching in intimate areas, a white coating on the tongue, known as oral thrush, chronic fatigue, recurring urinary tract infections, bloating, digestive issues, sinus congestion, skin problems like eczema or athlete's foot, joint pain, and an ammonia-like breath odor. If you're experiencing several of these symptoms, Candida overgrowth could be the culprit. But what causes this imbalance in the first place? The biggest offender behind Candida overgrowth is antibiotics. You might be thinking, but I haven't taken antibiotics recently. Here's the surprising part. Nearly 80% of all antibiotics sold in the US are used in agriculture, not in medical settings. That means the meat and produce you eat might be exposing you to antibiotics without you even knowing it. These antibiotics aren't just used to treat sick animals. They're also given to promote faster weight gain and to help animals survive in stressful or unsanitary conditions. But it does not stop there. When antibiotic-treated animals produce manure, that manure is often used as fertilizer for crops. So even if you're vegan or vegetarian, you may still be indirectly exposed to antibiotics through the soil your vegetables are grown in. This widespread use of antibiotics has serious consequences. It kills off the beneficial bacteria in our gut that normally keep Candida under control, creates antibiotic-resistant superbugs, and contaminates our food supply. But antibiotics aren't the only factor contributing to Candida overgrowth. High sugar intake, chronic stress, birth control pills, pregnancy, and overuse of antacids all play a role. These factors create an environment in your body that allows Candida to thrive. Here's an interesting twist. Candida actually prefers an alkaline environment. Contrary to popular belief, an overly alkaline body can be just as problematic as an overly acidic one. Antibiotics, stress, birth control, and sugar all contribute to this alkalinity, creating a vicious cycle where Candida continues to grow. So what's the solution? How can we break this cycle and eliminate Candida for good? The first step is to starve Candida by cutting off its primary food source, sugar. A diet low in sugar and refined carbs is essential. Focus on non-starchy vegetables, lean proteins, healthy fats, and high-fiber foods. Avoid refined sugars, processed carbs, alcohol, and yeast-fermented foods. Next, replenish your gut with beneficial bacteria. Include plain, unsweetened yogurt, kefir, and small amounts of kombucha in your diet. Fermented foods like sauerkraut and kimchi are rich in probiotics and prebiotic fibers that support a healthy gut balance. Oregano oil is a powerful natural antimicrobial that can help combat Candida without the harsh side effects of prescription antifungals. You can use it in your meals or as a supplement. Apple cider vinegar is another excellent tool in the fight against Candida. Its acidity helps restore proper pH levels in your gut and has natural antifungal properties. Try adding a tablespoon to a glass of water and drink it before meals. Coconut oil, with its potent antifungal properties, is another valuable ally. Regular consumption can help keep Candida in check while offering other health benefits. Finally, drink plenty of water to help flush toxins from your body and support natural detoxification processes. By implementing these dietary and natural strategies, you can create an environment in your body that's hostile to Candida overgrowth. Remember, consistency is key. It may take some time to see results, but stick with it, and you'll be on your way to long-term relief. Take control of your health today. With these tools, you can finally break free from the cycle of Candida overgrowth and reclaim your vitality. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Your support helps this channel grow and reach more people just like you. And before you go, check out my last video. Clean your liver with this simple 1 teaspoon trick fast. It's packed with valuable insights that can help you take your health to the next level. Just click on the screen to watch now. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your experience. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.